I'm exhausted.
Me too. Shopping is a big job.
Yes, it is. Shopping is very hard work. Would you like a cup of tea?
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Coffee. Oh dear, I still haven't bought any coffee yet.
Oh, it's okay. Tea is fine.
Okay. Oh, try on your new things for me.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Hello, who is this? Chong? Yes, this is Agatha Johnson. Elena. Hold on, please. I'll call her. Elena! Telephone!
Hello? John? Yes, it is very nice here. You're back in London? Uh-huh. Yes, on Saturday night? Okay, okay. Bye, bye.
Who is that?
Oh, John. He's back in London. He's staying in King's Cross.
Oh. Is he your boyfriend?
Who, John? No, he's my classmate.
Oh, how delightful.
I think we will go to see a film on Saturday night.
Oh. That will be very nice for you.
Mm-hmm.
How old is Chong?
He's 25.
Is he married?
No, he's married.
Does he have any children?
No, he isn't married.
Oh, right. Of course. You did say he is single. Oh, come on. I want a fashion show. Look at that gorgeous coat.
Is it too small, too fluffy?
It's perfect.
Are the shoes too high?
No, they're perfect.
Is the dress too low?
No.
Too tight?
No, darling, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
My goodness, is that you, Elena?
Hello.
What are you doing home?
Sam isn't well. He has a cold.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let's get something delicious for dinner. Huh? Takeaway?
Yes.
Fish and chips.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. We all know shopping can be very tiring, but poor Elena is completely exhausted after buying her new coat. What do you think? Do you like it? Anyway, I hope that you aren't too tired for our English lesson and that you're ready to hear what we are going to study today. Today we are going to look at the interrogative form of the present simple with short answers. Do you like my necklace? Oh, yes, I do. Dylan bought it for me in LA. It was the first present he bought me. Does Lady Coco, my cat, like Buddy? No, she doesn't. Then we will look at the months of the year. January, February. I'm sure you already know some of them. And finally, the numbers up to 30. To make questions in the present simple, we use the word do, followed by the subject, and the present simple of the verb. So, You speak becomes do you speak? You understand becomes do you understand? You remember becomes do you remember? Do you speak French? Do you understand English? Remember, however, that with the third person singular, we use does instead of do. Does Victor live in London? Does he live in London? Does Elena live in Madrid? Does she live in Madrid? Now let's have a look at the answers to these questions. Do you speak French? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does Agatha live in London? Yes, she does. Does Victor live in Madrid? No, he doesn't. In English, we don't normally say just yes or no. We say, yes, I do, no, I don't, or yes, he does, no, he doesn't. Now, do you remember the numbers 1 to 12? Of course you do. We studied them just a few lessons ago. Well, today we are going to continue up to 30. So after 12, we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, do you hear how they all end in teen? That is why we use the word teenager for kids aged 13 to 19. Then we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Unfortunately, I'm not a teenager anymore. Are you? How old are you? 18? 34? 72? You're never too old to learn a new language. Elena is in London learning English. Sounds good, right? But in the winter months, it is incredibly cold in London. That's why she needs a new coat. Do you know the names of the months in English? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Which month is your birthday in? Mine is in July. I love July. The lovely hot weather and my birthday. Lucky me. Well, we've run out of time. The lesson is finished. See you next time. Happy studying. Bye.